Hey, it's Billy Davis. Welcome back. So, one of the greatest things about the Samsung Galaxy, and I'm sure that iPhone does it. If not, you need to switch to Samsung. And I'm not getting paid to tell you that because if you're in business or you're creating different types of photos and whatnot, there's an option within Samsung Galaxy phones to add hashtags. So, let me show you how to do it real quick. Hang tight, I got you. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to pull up our gallery. We're going to go here, and we're going to take one of our pictures here. Let's take this one. I've already experimented with this one. You're going to come down to the three dots. You're going to click it, and then you're going to say um, details. All right, then you can actually edit it, but I've already got this, so I've added, this is my Tropical Escapes collection, so I added coastal decor. So let's just say, let's hit the pencil, so let's add some more. And you can also add your QR code here too, which is pretty badass. So let's just say redecorate. All right, it's already there, and boom, let's hit save. Okay, so the hashtags are there, but the beautiful thing about this is that they don't show up. So they are actually embedded into the photo, which is great for search engine optimization. Take care. Have a great day.